Let me show you how you can compress your PDF file. If you have a PDF file that is much in size, let me show you how you can compress it. So let's say, let's take this for example. Let's check out this PDF file. Go to properties. Click on properties. So you can see that this PDF file is 11.8 megabytes, which in some cases will not be able to upload this in some places. So let me show you how you can reduce the size. Okay, open your browser, then search for I love PDF. I love PDF. Okay, this is it here. When it opens, you choose this one. I love PDF online, PDF choose for PDF lovers. So you click it. So you can see that you can do so many things on this PDF. You can split PDF, you can mix PDF, you can compress PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint. So many things you can do on here. So what we want to do, we want to compress our PDF size. So you click on compress PDF. So compress PDF. So you select the PDF file you want to. So let's go and look for the file. Okay, this is it here, my portfolio. So look at it here. So compress level. So you choose this recommended compression. Choose this recommended compression. When you choose it, you now click on compress PDF. Click on compress. So compressing PDF. You can see this compressing our PDF. Look at it here. So you can come here and download it. So if you check our PDF has been compressed, so let's open it. Okay, this is our PDF. Okay, as we go through, let's go to download and see the size of that PDF. So if we click here, go to download, you see it here. Right click and save properties. Where you see that PDF of 11.8 megabyte has been compressed to 3.7 megabyte. The quality does not change, it remains the same quality. So this is how you can compress your PDF to a small size. So thank you for watching.